Now, here is Kimmie's Kitchen and More. This is her channel. Go over there, give her a chance, see what she does. She does lots of different things on her channel. A lot. You need to go over there and check this channel out. It's full of inspiration and wonderful things she shares. And lots of projects, lots of shopping, lots of everything, lots of cooking. Go over there, give her a chance. See what she has to share. Think you'll love it. Well, let's see what Grandma got today from her friends and her sister. New to me. Now, this is one of my awesome friends, Maria. And I think she's been watching my channel, and I've been watching her channel for about 7 or 8 years. And we actually do know each other. And I have been to her home quite a few times. And I was over there yesterday, and she gave me a wonderful gift, so I want to share it with you. Now, she's given me lots of things through the years, and I have mentioned it on my channel. But this is what's great about YouTube. You get to meet people, and you can build relationships. I have a lot of relationships with YouTubers I've never actually physically ever met. But even though I say that, I do have a lot of friends that do YouTube, and some of them I actually do know, and I've been to their home. Maria is not my only friend on YouTube, and we'll talk about my other friend another day. And I'm going to try really hard to start doing some Tea Tuesdays with my awesome friends, because I want you all to know how awesome they are, and you will love her channel. Go check her out. She has a great personality, and she is just so sweet, so kind. Go check out her channel. Let's just do a little overview of what she's got on her channel. Like I said, we've been friends for about 7 or 8 years, quite a while. And she's changed her channel a little bit like I have. I think that way you don't get stale. And but the things that we love, we've always loved. Like you're going to see here, she likes miniature things like I do. We both love miniatures. I have a miniature house. My collection's much smaller than hers, but she does have a beautiful collection. She also is a writer, and she's been published multiple times. So go check this awesome creator out. And there is her wonderful husband, Joy. And I know him too. Do you know how good it feels to actually know someone? You're not just seeing someone on the screen, you actually personally know them. And they're both awesome couple. Go and check her out and give her some love and say, Sandy sent me. Grandma Sandy sent me. And if you like antiques, miniatures, dolls, books, I could go on and on. This is not all that she's interested in. Go check it out. She used to be a Halloween channel too. So she's got lots of Halloween inspiration on her channel. Go check her out. Awesome friend. Now, you want to see what she got me? Or I should say gave me? Because she knows I love gardening. And she gave me something for my garden. And everything I got today I'm going to share is all from different, like my sister gave me something, and one of my friends from work gave me something, and it all has to do with the garden, because you know how much I love to garden. This is from Maria. Now, Maria does have her own channel, as I told you in the beginning of this video, and she is just awesome, and she's so sweet, and she's given me other things in the past, so this isn't the first time she's given me something. But I want to let you know, go over and check her out. She has an awesome, awesome channel, and I'm going to get with her here pretty soon, and we're going to do some Tea Tuesdays. I haven't been doing too many with my daughter because she's so busy, she doesn't have the time. And I don't want to make that sound like I'm being snippy or mean. She is a registered nurse. She works hard on her job. And then she has her own YouTube channel. She's got a husband. She's got 3 children. So she has a lot on her plate also. And
So we're going to do a few with Maria this summer, at least 2 or 3, I think. And we're going to see if we can get a lot of new followers for her. Because, you know, I get new followers all the time, and a lot of you may have never heard of Maria. But this is what she gave to me, a beautiful gift, is it not? And it has these wonderful straps or cord or whatever you want to call it. I can hang them from my trees. My backyard is full of trees and plenty of shade, so I'll have plenty of places to hang it from. So get ready to see what I get on there. It's quite large, and I was thinking I might even try to do a couple of posts having I have big fairies as well as little fairies, and even though I don't show my big fairies very often, I have 1 or 2 that set down, and I may try to put them in the garden if I can make secure it's going to be secure and not fall, because I'd be heartbroken if one of them got broke. We might see if we can put some fairies in the garden on the swing this summer. And one of my friends from work, she gave me this beautiful plant. I can't wait to see how it's going to go, and already I can see I'm going to have to transplant this plant. I'm not quite sure how soon. I may do it this summer, but for sure I'll do it in the fall. I may just do it in the fall because I don't think it's good to transplant in the middle of summer. Well, I shouldn't say in the middle of summer. But see, here we only go from one thing. Nice, cool, comfortable weather to steaming hot where I can hardly breathe. And so we may just, I have bigger pots, and I might even buy a really big one for this one and make a big, beautiful fairy garden out of it. I have some other plants that need to be moved because they're outgrowing their pots, and I might even be able to put this in one of those pots. I don't know yet. We'll have to wait and see. But I think we're doing pretty good. So all of this I got from my friends or my sister. No cost was spent in this video at all. Totally free post. And as you can see, this is going to be a big plant right out of the box. I thought this pot would be big enough, and no, I was totally wrong. But I'm sure it'll be fine for a few months. We'll probably move it around and do something different with it in October the more I'm thinking about it. I don't think it can be in that pot too long. So we'll shoot for October, and if it starts having too many problems, we'll move it sooner. It's not like I don't have a large, well, I shouldn't say large. Compared to most of you, I have a tiny garden. But for California and being in the city, it's a large garden. I live right in town. That's why you hear all the background noise all the time. The electric company's here working on the power lines, so this is the second time this month we've had our power off, and there's nothing you can do about that. But we just do the best we can. I had 3 days where my tablet didn't work, another bad day for me. So I have been struggling a lot, plus I've been getting myself overworked, overtired, and I didn't get some post up because of that. Oh well. I guess you'll all forgive me. I'm 75 years old. It's hard for me to work a 40-hour-week job, do 30 videos a month, and still put everything together, clean up, and do cooking, grocery shopping, paying bills. It's exhausting just hearing about it, isn't it? So we just do the best we can.